Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Lexus with a card key. This slim, credit card-sized device offers a convenient way to secure your vehicle. It's designed to be easily carried in your wallet, providing a discreet alternative to your standard key fob. We'll cover the basic steps to ensure you can confidently use this innovative feature, making your daily routine smoother and more efficient. Let's dive into how it works. To lock your Lexus using the card key, simply approach the driver's side door. Hold the card key flat against the door handle or very close to it for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should hear a distinct beep or a click, confirming that your vehicle's doors have successfully locked. Always double-check by gently pulling on the door handles to ensure everything is securely fastened before walking away. It's a quick and easy process. If you encounter issues, first ensure the card key isn't near other electronics that might cause interference. A low battery can also affect performance. Consider replacing it every 2 to 3 years. If the card key still isn't working, remember there's a small, physical key blade hidden within your traditional fob or sometimes the card key itself, which can manually unlock the driver's door. Always have a backup plan for peace of mind. To maximize the lifespan of your Lexus card key, treat it with care. Store it in a protective sleeve to prevent scratches and avoid bending it. Extreme temperatures, like leaving it on a dashboard in direct sunlight, can also degrade its components over time. By following these simple maintenance tips, your card key will serve you reliably for years to come. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.